Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog. I just uploaded one vlog and then I decided to start another vlog today. So I kind of like keep you guys updated. There's nothing much happening honestly, but still I just wanted to keep a track on the vlogs and all of that. Now I just changed my outfit and everything because I wanted to shoot for a YouTube video. So I'm gonna be doing that. Then I'm just going to be going along with the day and of course sharing everything with you all. Okay, so please ignore the messy bun. So I kind of filmed two videos. That's the last part that I vlogged. And then I got so tired and I ended up sleeping. And now I just woke up. It's 5 o'clock in the evening. I'm going to go have some tea and get back because I have some work to do of my college. So most probably I'm going to be doing that today. Also, I need to clear up a little bit of mess in my room that I did while shooting. So I'm going to be doing all of that and I'll be catching you guys later. Good morning everyone. So it's the next day and I quickly hopped in here to show you all that I'm actually getting ready because I need to kind of step out. So I thought that I will show you all that what I apply like almost every single day now since when it's winter. I just apply this one product. Just a second, let me place my camera and I'm going to show you guys. Yeah. Okay, so I'm sorry for the angle, but please can I manage it. So this is the only product which is a sunban sunscreen. This is the only product which I swear by. I just applied this and I am all sorted. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Make sure that you're taking sufficient amount of sunscreen and also applying to all your exposed parts like your ears, your neck, your hands, your lips and everything. Okay, so as you can see, I've blended everything in properly, and the next step, of course, you can go ahead and apply maybe a little bit of BB and CC cream to kind of cover up your dark circles and all of that. But I am not gonna do that because I don't do that on a regular basis. I just swear by a good sunscreen. And the next step, you can also like kind of apply a little bit of maybe lip and cheek tint because that really lifts up your face if you want to. But I just apply a good lip balm or Vaseline and that's it. Make sure that the lip balm you are applying also has sufficient amount of SPF. And yeah, I think I'm all sorted for the day. So it's the next day and after college, all of us, we friends, we decided to kind of like go to this chart shop which is very near to my college. And yeah, we had a nice time together. Taste stick. कैसे है? I just returned back from college. It was a long day. As you saw, we had chat and now I am finally back home, feeling super tired. So most probably I'm gonna go take a shower and have some rest. But before that, I thought that I'm gonna show you all this very interesting thing which I recently got from a very local shop right next to my home. Is this eyelashes, fake eyelashes. I have never used one. This is gonna be my first one and I'm kind of afraid to use this because I don't know like how it works and all of that. So most probably I'm gonna be seeing a couple of tutorials and then trying it out and maybe I'll include it in the vlog if I try. So this one, wait, let me show you. If you can see, like these eyelashes kind of are like very big for my eyelashes is what I feel. But yeah, let me try. I think we can also like cut them short and use it. I don't know how that works. Anyway, it also comes with a glue. Yeah, this is something which I liked about this. So yeah, it comes with a glue. You just have to stick it and that's it. Yes, I'm going to be trying it out. And what else? Now I think I would go, and I will catch you guys super soon. So yes, I think that's about this vlog. I'm just about to edit this, and probably I'll upload it today or maybe tomorrow. Let's see how that goes. But yeah, I think I don't know how this vlog turned out exactly, because I think I've taken a lot of clips from like continuously 3 days or maybe 4 days, I don't remember. And I'm just gonna merge them all up and I'm gonna upload them. So please let me know how you guys are liking all these vlogs, and if anything else specific you want to see, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, then please make sure that you like it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram. The link of my Instagram is gonna be in my description box, so please go and check it out. I'll soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.